Hello guys, welcome again. I'm here to share on how not to waste your pasta sauce, bechamel or any other sauce. But today we're just gonna focus on bechamel sauce. The bechamel sauce really great if you remodify it with your own version. Here I'm gonna cook using chicken and some oyster mushroom, which my favorite. I really love it. Combination of chicken and mushroom, really perfect. Not only that, I add my favorite ingredients, that is chili padi. It really brings perfect flavors with spiciness, creamy, cheesy, yummy. It's really yummy. I promise you. You got to try this. As you can see, I love to add spices. My favorite spices are fennel seeds, white cumin, coriander, and of course chili padi. Adding these spices in your dish really brings some heaven-scented spices in your favorite dish. So I just need some experiments with the spices and you see what result will come out. Here I would like to share on how to make bechamel sauce. If you refer to my channel, there's a video on how to make lasagna. It also explains on how to make your own bolognese sauce and also bechamel. This is where you get all your leftover sauce. You can always modify and add spices, chilies, whatsoever spices that you like to bring the uniqueness in your cooking. You're creating your own flavor. Bechamel sauce is almost ready. Look how creamy and so cheesy. So as you can see, I add some chicken mushroom in can. You can do it on your own, but I just want to add additional flavor to the chicken and also make the soup more creamy and thick. Finally, add some oregano to preserve the taste of Italian. Sedap? Delicious? Yes? Show your thumbs up.